You use YouTube keywords in your video title, description, thumbnail and the speech of your video, so the algorithm can find you and you can get the views. The trick is to find the middle between what you like to make, people search for, and you don't have a lot of competition. With the first one I can't help you, but with the second two I'm going to in this video. Hi, my name is Dexxter Clark from the Netherlands, and on this channel I help entrepreneurs to explode their revenue with the help of YouTube. The first tool and the first technique that you should use is the YouTube search functionality itself. When I go to YouTube search and I type in a search term, I can see if viewers are looking for that. For example, how to feed a... You can see that over here is a suggestion, how to feed a baby, how to feed a kitten, baby, and this is organized by the likelihood of people searching for that. In other words, it says something about the search volume, because if you want to make a video, you want to have a large search volume, but not a lot of competition. Let's say I'm looking for how to feed a dog. Then you can see if I type in dog, it will automatically autocomplete that with how to feed a dog in Minecraft. As a beginner, it's super important to focus on long tail keywords, because the more specific you are, the higher the chance that you can rank for this. For example, a short tail keyword would be dog food. A longer tail keyword would be dog food recipes, for example. But can we go any further down the rabbit hole? Yes, we can. For example, dog food recipes chicken. I click on that, the page reloads. Dog food recipes chicken. Let's click on the search bar again and press space. Then it will autocomplete to, for example, recipes chicken and rice. I click on the search bar again, press space bar. There is only one step deeper down the rabbit hole. But can we actually rank for this? Well, I come back to that in a minute. Let's say your channel is about dogs and you want to get some inspiration for video ideas. Let's type in dog and add some search keywords that imply a question that people ask by searching for it. For example, you can add when, where, which, who, why, can, what, who and are. For example, are dogs self-aware? For example, here. That could be a good video topic, could be. But I can also look for why. Why do dogs eat poop? Why dogs are the best, why dogs bark at me. I will put all these in the description below if you're interested. Another technique to get video ideas is I type in my channel topic and then I add the letter A. Then I get everything regarding to dogs with an A. Dogs and anxiety. If I'm not happy, I can go to B. Barking baby breeds. I can go to C, D, E, F, etc, etc, etc. You can make search terms more specific by excluding certain other search terms. For example, dog feeding schedule. Dog feeding schedule. This gives me a result regarding to puppies, but I don't want to have puppies in my search term. I can exclude puppy by using the minus sign. So I say minus puppy. And now I get all the videos that don't have puppy in it. Okay, now let's look at the search results to determine if we should or shouldn't make that video. For example, let's type in dog. Then I will get the most competitive search results because everyone and his mother makes videos about dogs. This is super competitive. How can I see that? Because I've here 28 million views. That's a lot. But how can I know if that is competitive, yes or not? Because if I, as a beginner channel, can have 28 million views of my video, I would sign for that. I click on the channel, then I can see this channel has 790,000 subscribers. Let's say I'm a beginner channel, I have 200 subscribers. I can never beat, well, never is an overstatement, but the likelihood that you can beat this channel is very small. The reason is because you don't have a lot of watch time minutes. Watch time minutes is channel authority. Channel authority is ranking power. If you want a more detailed explanation, I would recommend you to check out my YouTube algorithm video. It explains much more in detail. So I'm looking for videos that have a lot of views, but not a lot of subscribers. So I can beat that. 5.2 million views. Views is good, but if I look here, 300,000 subscribers, I'm probably not going to be that as a new channel. Says 6.3 million, a lot of views, but there is no amount of subscribers here. But when I look at these videos, 5.52 million, 300,000, 23 million, that means that this channel has so much watch time, so ranking power. I'm not going to be that as a small channel. And this is why we want to go deeper and deeper and deeper. Dog barking. You'll see 81 million views, a lot of views, but this channel, 400,000 subscribers. Let's go deeper. Dog barking sounds, same. Let's go sounds pitbull. I'm going further and further down the rabbit hole. You see that the quality of the thumbnails goes down. This is generally a good sign. No amount of subscribers, but yeah, this is a lot better. If I would make a video about dog barking sounds, 2.8 million views, 10k subscribers. This is great because, wow, this would be amazing because I have here 10 videos on this channel, 10,000 subscribers. That is a lot, that is a lot. And a video that has most popular 2.8 million views. This means a lot of views with this video, but the amount of subscribers is 10,000. If this channel would have had 100 videos and 1 million subscribers, I wouldn't go that way. But a lot of views, not a lot of subscribers. This could be great as a beginner. My general rule of thumb, and these numbers are by no means exact numbers, just a guideline. When it comes to the search volume, look at the amount of views that the other videos got based on that search term. Less than 1,000 views within a year, yeah, that's not worth targeting it. More than 5,000 views a year, yeah, that might be alright. More than 10,000 views a year, yeah, that's good. More than 100,000 views, that is absolutely amazing as a beginner. For example, when we go back to this search term, not a lot of people would type in minus puppy, but nevertheless 380 views a year ago, yeah, that is not a lot of search volume. Also here 243 views, yeah, that is not a lot of search volume. 60 views 3 months ago, personally I would stay away from this. Then let's look at the amount of subscribers of the other videos. Less than 1,000 subscribers is amazing. Less than 5,000 subscribers is still very good. Less than 10,000 subscribers, yeah, it's still good. More than 50,000 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, absolutely forget it. You will not be able to rank for that. Another thing we can look at is relevancy. Does the search results match up with my search query? If that is not the case, that could mean two things. Nobody has made a video about it. That could be an absolutely great topic to make a video about, or nobody is searching for that, and that is a really bad sign. If it is bad or good, you have to use a little bit common sense. For example, how to feed a Shih Tzu on Sunday at 4 p.m. Yeah, probably not a lot of people are looking for that. It is a good sign if the first 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 videos are relative to the search term and the rest not. Because that means that YouTube hasn't enough videos to serve you based on its search query. So it goes and looks for other videos that are the closest related to that search term. So you know that you can probably get in that list if your video is related to the search topic. Also, what you can look at if to determine if you can make a video about it, yes or no, is, I already mentioned, the quality of the thumbnail, but the same goes for the quality of the video. If the quality of the video is good, generally people are staying longer to watch a video, but if the quality of the video isn't good, people are not sticking around that long. That is a really good sign, because if you can up the ante when it comes to quality, you're probably gonna beat someone. Let's say you want to bump number 1, 2 or 3 from its current position in the ranking. Click on the video. First of all, watch the video to see if you can make a better video. Is there information missing in the video? One of the hints you can get for that is in the comments. Browse through the comments, and are there comments about what is missing in the video, or what is bad at the video, or what is lacking in the video? So you can answer that in your video. That means that people that are searching for an answer not get the results that they want in this video, but if you can make sure that that answer is in your video, people are more satisfied with your video than this video. This is a positive signal to the YouTube algorithm, because viewers are more satisfied with your video, so the probability that your video will rank higher is much higher. The next thing you can look at if you show your face and use your voice on your YouTube channel is hunt for videos that are in the search result that don't show face or use voice. For example, this video right here, this video right here, because I know that viewers are less likely to watch a whole video where there is no face and no voice in the video, and people are less likely to subscribe to such a channel. And I show my face and use my voice, so I can probably beat those videos. Also, the language of the video is important. I typed in an English search term over here, change YouTube URL, slug, and there is a channel popping up in Hindi over here. No English speaker that doesn't speak Hindi will watch these kinds of videos. So you know, if you speak English, that you can beat that video every day of the week. Ranking for search terms is always a bit of a gamble, but what if you know that you can actually rank for a search term because you already rank for that search term? When I look at my reach tab of the YouTube analytics of a video, then you scroll down here and you see the most used search terms, and you can see over here how to read a script while looking into the camera, how to read a script in front of the camera, teleprompter, how to record a script. I could make another video about these search terms because it's almost a guarantee that I can rank for that because I already ranked for that. And this is exactly what I did with this video. I used the search term how to read a script in front of the camera. If you think that YouTube Analytics is a little bit overwhelming, I recommend you to check out my YouTube Analytics video that walks you through the basics of YouTube Analytics. The link for that video is in the description. The tool that everyone seems to forget is Google, because what people type in YouTube, they probably also type in Google. Of course, this is not a 100% guarantee, but yeah, it generally holds up. We can use the same tricks as we did before. So dog food, space, dog food container, brands, bowl, the Netherlands, recipe, dispenser. We can also, container for example, then a space, target. Can we go deeper? No, we can't go deeper, but we can go 40 pounds. And food storage container, 40 pounds. This way we can also get video ideas. Also the ABC method works. And also the question keywords works. But I want to point you at some tools that Google does have and YouTube doesn't. For example, when I type in something, it will give me, people will also ask, what size container will hold up 40 pounds of dog food? These are questions that people are asking in Google and probably want to know on YouTube too. By looking at the bottom of this page, I can see that there is a buying intent when people search for this term. For example, dog food container target. People want to buy a dog food container when they type in dog food container. Gamma dog food container. Gamma is a store in the Netherlands. So I could craft a video that tells you which dog food container you can buy and where you can buy it. Then I can use affiliate links, for example, in my YouTube video, and I can make a little commission with that. And also the keywords for the video that you're watching right now, I found by looking at the related searches on the bottom of a Google page. Why a lot of keyword research tools suck is because they use the YouTube API, but the YouTube API doesn't give search volume. But there is one tool that does give search volume, and that is a tool by Google itself called Google Trends. When you go to trends.google.com, you can type in a search term and see what the trend in search volume is over time. Let's type in dog food. Then you can see this is over the last 12 months. There isn't going much up or down. But when I look at this from 2004 to now, then you can see that there is a very interesting trend upwards. So more people over time are searching for this search term. This is only for the United States. We can change the country if we want. We can do that at the top here, United States or worldwide. And when I scroll to the bottom of this page, I can see related topics that can help you with video ideas too. I can go arrow right, arrow right, arrow right. There are more suggestions over here. Then there are related queries, food near me, dog food, chewy. And again, you can see more search queries over here. This is Google. But what if there was a tool that you could use for YouTube search? Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, there is, because you can select over here, search, web search, or YouTube search. This gives us the trend from 2008 till now. And you can see that there is, well, yeah, it's pretty stable. But it tells me that there is interest in dog food. Now we can also compare this to, for example, cat food. Cat food. Then my red line over here is cat food. This is red, this is blue, dog food. And that you can see that cat food is going down and dog food is in general going up. So I would be more confident in making a video or even a channel about dog food than about cat food. Google Trends is great for researching broad search terms, for example dogs or dog food. But when you go too specific, when you use long tail keywords, for example how to feed a schnauzer vegan, then YouTube Trends will leave you out in the dark. There are third-party keyword research tools on the market like Morning Fame, TubeBuddy, vidIQ and Keywords Everywhere. I've found that especially TubeBuddy and Keywords Everywhere give very unreliable results. If you want to use these two tools in particular, use them to get video ideas, not to do keyword research. YouTube search is just one of the algorithms that you need to know about in order to grow your YouTube channel. The other algorithms, I'll talk about them in this playlist right here. If you like the content, then you should definitely consider subscribing and click on the bell icon to get notifications for new videos.